Been watching Chainlink pretty close. Went ahead and added some to this one as well. Had a pretty good pullback here from the high at 20 bucks ish, right? Once we pulled back, we ran straight back through the 236, which made the target. You can see right there, we ran through that 236. That made the target the 382. Sure enough, she comes down here and hits the 382, which just so happens to be right near the 200 moving average, and takes a bounce. Was looking for that bounce, hoping it would happen. It did. Problem is, we come back today with the bearish engulfing, right? It immediately rejecting that 821 EMA. Didn't want to see that. Good news. We have support here with these moving averages. If it falls below those moving averages, I'm going to have to scale right back out after rebuying some because it just didn't work out, right? A lot of these are teetering, and since they're teetering, I can't push myself and make a crazy decision. At the same time, I can't wait too long because then you miss your opportunity. Like I said, I didn't go crazy with my buys. I bought portions, right? I'm going to continue to try to do this, continue to try to lay out my plan, and take some risk without taking massive risk. I didn't add any low cap alts or anything. I saw big stuff that I think has somewhat of a future, right? Risky stuff. All your oscillators are going to look the same as what I showed you with Bitcoin. They're all going to be nominal, not going to be any help. It is worth noting that some of these are playing around with the pivots as well. I'd like to see them get back over the pivots, which is more bullish than bearish. But hey, it doesn't really matter what I want. So I'm waiting. If it fails more, I'll bail. If we turn the corner and start going back the other direction, excellent. What would be the breakout? Well, getting past this trend line right here. You get past that red trend line, everything changes. And like I said, it's got till September, the beginning of September to change. Also note, we're not getting any rate cuts. There is no August session, and the next federal FOMC meeting isn't until the 28th, I think, of September, something like that, late September. So it's going to be a 2-month grind of what's going to happen here, which is part of my thinking of why I think maybe this stuff's going to kind of hold out and crab walk. That might be very, very detrimental to alts. We'll see. Be ready to bail if you have to.